How to know the password of Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can know the password of our Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, knowing the password of a Netflix account is not possible even if you are logged in on the Netflix application. So you might be logged in on Netflix and you might be wondering you want to know the password. Well, even if you are logged in, it's not going to let you have your password. Now, the only thing you can do, of course, is if you have access to the email, you can actually reset it. Now, sometimes if you're lucky, you can actually view your current password if you had happened to save them on your browser, on your Google account or your iCloud account. So you can just go to netflix.com and then just try to log in there. So when you tap the sign in option over here, you should be able to see all the saved password that you have saved for Netflix. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and then find the one that you had saved for Netflix, tap on the send sign in code or use password option, and then just go ahead and enter the password. Once you select one of the saved password, to view what that current password is, you have to tap this little I button. But as I said, this only works if you're lucky and if you had happened to save your password in your account before. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.